Hi there, and welcome to JLB Track Tutorials. Today's tutorial will provide a demonstration of the external provider evaluation register in Track. The register is used to assess a range of suppliers, contractors, or other providers and to view historical data on each entry. Before adding any external provider evaluations, the evaluation criteria, evaluation type, and evaluation score must be added under the admin section in Track, which can be found under Configuration and Screens. The evaluation criteria can be tailored to suit individual companies' requirements. For example, Criteria 1 could be price, Criteria 2 service, and so on. The criteria fields will then be enabled when completing an evaluation. Only those criteria fields that have been created will appear on the evaluation. Once the evaluation criteria has been created, you then need to set up evaluation types. This is found also under Admin, and then Evaluation Types. This should include all types of external provider evaluations you wish to undertake, such as suppliers, contractors, subcontractors, and so on. Finally, while still in the admin screen, you need to set your score ratings under Evaluation Scores, which is the next tab along. Once again, this can be tailored to what you require, such as A, B, C, and D, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once this has been set up, the external provider's register can be found under the Improvement taskbar on the left-hand side of the screen. Provider evaluations will appear in black if upcoming, green if scheduled within a month, or red if overdue. To add a new external provider evaluation report, select New from the top toolbar. You then need to select your evaluation type and also the department that it's relevant to. Date raised will automatically default to today's date, but this can be changed if required using the drop-down. Once this has been completed, you're able to create an evaluation by selecting Add Evaluation from the top toolbar. You then need to enter who the supplier or external provider is, the product or service, then who the evaluator is. You can then start adding scores from the drop-down fields for each evaluation type. If previous evaluations have been complete for this external provider, you'll also see the history in the last score boxes above. If applicable, you can also include any comments in the comments box. Finally, if the scores for the external provider are unsatisfactory, you can automatically raise an NCR by clicking on Raise NCR. This will automatically appear under the NCR screen. Once you have completed the evaluation, you can select the Tick Completed box, which will automatically fill out the date evaluated. The company's evaluation criteria can also be linked to TrackPlus as a PDF document. It will appear whenever evaluation criteria is selected. This simply explains the ratings that are used. To link the PDF document, simply title it EP Evaluation Criteria and place it in the Help subdirectory located in the TrackPlus Data subdirectory. Users can also select Add All Providers from the top toolbar. This quickly populates a new evaluation report with all of the providers listed under the Admin section. The provider evaluation report can be closed once all the evaluations have been completed and approved by the designated manager by entering the date of approval using the drop-down field. The manager's name will automatically appear in the Approver field, and then you can select the next date for review. Finally, users are also able to add the providers used in previous evaluations by clicking on Add Previous Providers in the top toolbar. This means that you won't have to fill out providers one by one, and it will also import and pre-populate the provider's last scores. Please note that the previous evaluation must maintain the same evaluation type and department for this to work. This concludes the external provider evaluation register in Track.